Hey. Hi, my name is Boobie. Welcome to my channel. I can't believe I'm saying this, but my bills have to get paid one way or another. And today I'm going to be showing y'all how I dye my 12-inch 613 wig. My way or the highway. And this is the reference picture. Let's see if I can put this up here. I've been trying to find a reference picture on how to do this hair because I had it in my mind, but I could never find a picture that would bring it to life. But I was up late night on Pinterest and I found it. One picture, one. So I'm gonna be dyeing it shades of pink. And I've seen a lot of girls that dye hair, and when they have multiple colors, they do it manually, sectioning the hair off and stuff. I'm not doing that. It's too much work. Since I'm using two colors, I'm just gonna dip dye it first to get it the original color, and then I'm gonna section it off and, you know, dye it manually with my hands. Please don't mind me looking homeless. It's how it is. Leave me alone. And I'm only recording this just in case it goes left. At least it's documented. So you're gonna get to see the good or the bad. So yeah, I'm gonna dip dye her pink. She's about to go pink. Go pink or go home. Yeah, I'm no professional. So if any professional hair dyers or whatever have anything to say, please let me know. I need constructive criticism. I just like to do my hair, but if I do something wrong, please let me know. Thank you. Okay, so I have my bowl with the hot water and I have the wig. I already sprayed it with got to be sprayed so my lace doesn't dye or whatever, it gets stained. So now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Hold on. So I'm using this Kiss dye in pink petal. And I'm just gonna pour a generous amount. I'm gonna pour a generous amount into, hold up, it's kind of still. I don't know if this is the right color, but we're gonna pray. The people said I should be wearing gloves, so let me go get some gloves. So the water's looking pretty good. Yeah. So, this is what the water is looking like. So now I'm gonna do my little paper towel test that the people do. Ain't got no color. Let me pour a little more. Pour some more. Now I'm gonna dunk her. I'm kind of scared, but oh well. Bitch, where's the color? So if I gotta go to the store and get me some like dye or something, I'm gonna be real mad. I'm gonna be real mad. Don't care. What? I'm gonna let this sit in here while I go to the store and get some more hair dye. Cause this is redonkulous. I'm currently on my way to get some more hair dye, so stay tuned. So here we go again. If I have to go to the store for the second time, I'm gonna scream. Like the roots are taking, but the hair itself, that's the hair is not taking this color. I wonder why. I go to the store again because it didn't work. So yeah. All right, so I'm back and I got two other ones. I got cotton candy from the Adore and I got another pink petal because this is how the wig's looking and she ain't doing well. I'm gonna try the Adore first because I usually use Adore because they're good, but I didn't. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass. Now it's coming. I should do my little dancey dance. Oh my God, it's getting pink. Finally. Thank you, Jesus. Cause babe, oh my God, I don't like this brown spot though. Like where did this brown spot come from? Please let me know. I'm just gonna finish dyeing this so I can let it dry and then I can start applying the other color. Okay, so the hair is officially dry and it's kind of has like an ombre type of look, but it's giving very much Nikki, very much Harajuku Barbie. So I'm gonna start by sectioning it off and putting the dye on it as highlights, and it's like a neon pink by Adore, and I'm kind of scared because I don't want to mess it up, so let's see. Okay, so I'm not sure how I'm supposed to do this, but I have my Reynolds wrap. You know, correct me if I'm wrong because I don't know. I've never did this before, so if this is how it's supposed to go, please. Does this look okay? Yeah, it does. It actually looks fire. I'm me convincing myself that it looks good when it really doesn't right now. I'm gonna come back when I'm at the top. Okay, so it's done. I don't care. It's done. It looks good. It's giving me very much yes. Yes, ma'am. I'm kind of scared, but I think it's gonna look good. So I'm gonna go wash it out with the cold water. I don't think this is how it's supposed to go. Why is there more hot pink than there is regular pink? I'm an idiot. Let me trust the process and I'm gonna straighten it and see how it turns out. Because at this rate, none of that. So this is what she looks like. It didn't come out like I envisioned it or intended it to look like, but she's cute. She's cute. So I'm gonna go put her on and we'll see. We'll see. So this is the hair. I love it. I do, because I thought it wasn't gonna look good because it didn't look like the reference photo when I washed it. But then I realized it didn't have to look like the reference photo. But just look at the hair. Look at my, I love it. What lace? Yeah, it's not there. Yeah. So yeah, and I used Mega Look Hair. I'm gonna put them in the description box below. And this is the end of the video. I mean, it's giving what it was supposed to give. Nicki Minaj, Nicki Lewinsky, Nicki the Harajuku Barbie. Yeah. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, and you can follow all my socials. They're linked in the description box too, because why not? But yeah, that's it. That's there. I did that. Mega Look Hair too. But other than that, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm out. Bye.